Hi, in this video we will make a delicious Swiss roll. For this recipe we use powdered sugar, coffee, ground biscuits, ground walnuts, sugar, rum extract, ground coconut, butter and vanilla sugar. We start by mixing the ground biscuits with the powdered sugar. We add the walnuts, sugar. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. Coffee and the rum extract. We use our hand to mix it until we get a doughy consistency. And we cover it with plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out while we make the cream. We add to a bowl the butter, followed by the vanilla sugar and the powdered sugar. We use a hand mixer to blend in the ingredients as good as possible. You can add any ingredient you want for added flavor. When done, we cover the table with plastic wrap and we sprinkle some ground coconut on it. We add the biscuit dough, we flatten it with our hand, and we flatten it further with the rolling pin until we get a roughly 5 mm thick dough. When done, we add the cream. We spread it evenly and we roll it gently while lifting the plastic wrap. Be sure to roll it tight so it doesn't have any air bubbles inside. We let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. We unwrap it and we cover it with more ground coconut. This is the end product. It is a very easy dessert which can be customized to your taste. Feel free to use any ingredient you like. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, like or leave a comment below. See you next time.